Yo, what's happening, guys? All right, let's go. We finally got the little coughing over. All right, let's go. All right, we're ready. We're ready. We're ready. We've got a change of music. We changed the sound a little bit. We switched it up. We had something authentic first. Now we put a bit of house type music on. Right, let me just go over to YouTube and check what's happening on YouTube. Because my lives on YouTube have just been freezing. Right now, it's showing it's okay. It's showing it's okay. Alright, so that's where I can find. Gold crown effects, let's go. Right, volume down on that. This volume needs to stay. Yeah, not really missed any moves pre-market, pre-London session. We've got this blue marked out area here where it looks like price will come into this area. Gold crown is trying to like sell some signals. If you want to buy signals, go that way. I don't sell signals, sorry guys. So let's have a look. We've had a push down retracement. We've had a massive push down. This possibly could have retraced into a discounted area. Not discounted, sorry, a premium area. Because we was on a clear downtrend. That means on the higher time frame, we never really broke structure to the downside. So let's just have a look. The first push down wasn't really a... Okay, so let me just close this. All right, that's gone. So we're trying to figure out, are we pushing up at the moment, or are we staying down? So let's have a look. So let me just get onto the 4 hour. 4 hour again completely shows that we're a broken structure to the downside, and this could be a possible retracement. So 1 second, let's have a look. Let's follow market structure on this one. Let's see what's happening. So we had a push up, we had a retracement down, we had a push up, we couldn't break structure above there. Came back down, not into a 50% premium area, which is fine. Then we've come back down, which has now come into a premium area. But will it sell off from that area? Let's just break it down a little bit. Push up retracement, push up retracement, which is slightly retracing into this 4 hour fair value gap on the Asian session. So that's the 1 hour. Let's have a look. Let's drop down to the 30-minute time frame. Hey, Mr. Raja, Chris Animations, what's up? So we retraced again into a 30-minute fair value gap, and we've had a push down. Not quite sure if it's going to respect this 30-minute fair value gap and then keep pumping up. But let's have a look what happens in that area. Let's go down to the 15-minute time frame again. The 15-minute fair value gap has been respected. Let's have a look. We go. This is top-down analysis, guys. Fish, let's go. Let's go, fish. All right, so now we've retraced it into the 61.8 area, which was a fair value gap, which has been kind of respected. Do you do one-to-one mentorship? Yes, fish, I do one-to-one mentorship, but it depends how far gone you are into the trading journey yourself. How long have you been trading for? Yeah, fish, if you missed it, I was just asking how long have you been trading for already, because I think yesterday you said you're a beginner, right? You're fairly new to all of this. Not at all. Still need to learn the basics. Okay, I do one-to-one mentorships, but the thing is, before I take anyone on and before I even start charging people, I find out where they are in their journey. And if you're just still learning the basics, I really wouldn't want to take you on for mentorship, take your money, because from me, you'd be learning the more advanced stuff, and it wouldn't be no use to you because you ain't learnt the basics, like you said. So what I suggest you do, go on, just write a few things down. So what you would need to do is you need to just learn trading basics. Just search for trading basics on YouTube. Some of the basic things you can start looking into is ICT, SMC, market structure. They're the easier things to look at, find on the YouTube. Also from Monday, I'm going to be having my tutorials up as well. So I'm going to be having a basic, so a beginner to advanced kind of trading tutorials for free on YouTube. They'll be uploaded from Monday. So we're recording over the weekend. So on Monday, we're going to start dropping one video a day, just the basic stuff, and then just start leveling people up so that they get an understanding of trading and what trading is. And then you can do literally like 30 days of that program, which will be slowly, videos will be uploaded every single day. Hello, Sada. And then after you've done that 30-day program and then you start understanding it, then you could come onto a mentorship, and then that's when I can put you onto a program, because then you start understanding it. I could then I can start teaching you a bit more from advanced. So Fish, I think that's the best thing to do. Sada, what are you doing? Drop some likes. I don't like this. All right, let's go, guys. So this is the 15-minute time frame. We're tapping into this fair value gap here, but also on the higher time frame, we are currently bearish, guys. Remember that. It may look bullish on the slower time frames, and on all the smaller time frames, it might look like, yep, we're pumping up. But on the higher time frame, we are bearish. So be careful, guys. There are going to be many people taking a trade from this fair value gap, because it possibly can retrace and push up from here. But what you want to do is look at the next 4 to 5 candles to see what they're doing. Is price pushing into this area and going to push up, or is price going to continue pushing down? So there's no trade right now, guys. If you're looking to take a trade, if you got a game plan and you're looking to take a trade, you can. But right now, for me, there is no trade right now. Literally no trade, because price is showing two things. On the higher time frame, we're bearish, and on the lower time frame, we're bullish, but a retracement to the upside. So you need to be very careful, guys. I'm just gonna wait till I see a nice clean setup, and then I'll be like, yep, let's go. A7 Medino new funded. Yes, let's go, Medino. Do you know what? Didn't hear from you yesterday, brother. Didn't hear from you yesterday, A7 Medino. What did you get funded on, bro? No, I blew them. Oh, so you say you so you saying you purchased a new funded. Okay, can you tell me who you purchased the new funded from? What funded account have you just purchased? Yesterday I traded, got my winning day, and got the payout. So you got a payout yesterday and you blew the accounts yesterday. Well done. That is, how do I explain this? That happens to everybody. That literally happens to everybody. There's not one person I know that's got a payout and then blew their accounts. Well, the first few payouts. Greed just kicks in, bro. Greed kicks in. Yeah, if you want to tell me, A7 Medina, who did you get your funded with? Who are you? Which prop firm are you trading with? Right, guys, we've got 185 eyes on us. We need all 187 people right now. Was 187, 189. 189 eyes on us. We need you to hit the subscribe button. But we don't want to like miss our live traded every single day, Monday to Friday. No way. I got this retraced down, but it hit my break even. Otherwise, I'd get another payout today. Ah, okay. Tradeify. Do Tradeify pay out daily? Yeah. Yeah, Tradeify. Do they pay out daily? Daily payouts. That's good if they do. Yes, daily payouts. Boom, boom. That's what I like. I like Take Profit Trader because of daily payouts. I'm gonna look into Tradeify. You know, the only thing I don't like is, you pay a lot of money on these prop firms anyway. I don't like all these activation fees and all the rest of it, and all the other palaver of where you have to buy a funded account and then you pass the funded account. Yes. Do you know what? I'm trying to figure out what your name is there. It just went off too quickly off the screen. Thank you very much for following. And yeah, if in the comment section, if you just want to drop your name, that'd be great. They have daily drawdown. Okay, so they have, is it end of day drawdown or is it trailing drawdown, like intraday trailing drawdown? So once price goes up, and then if price pushes down, it automatically starts drawing you down. Or is it end of day drawdown? No trailing. Ah, bastard, I hate trailing drawdown. Do you know, same with Take Profit Trader. Trailing fucking drawdown. Thank you for the 105 likes, brother. Thank you. Trailing drawdown is very, very annoying. But I'm just gonna have a quick look at Tradeify. I am gonna have a look at Tradeify. 1 second. Oh, it's saying to me I've got a login with them. I never even knew I signed up with them. That's cool. I don't think I've ever traded with them. No, but daily drawdown. No trailing, but daily drawdown. Okay. But that's like with most, isn't it? Like most of the prop firms have end of day drawdown. So let's get rid of their TV thing that was there. I'm not sure what that was. Like, no accounts found. So I've literally never traded with Tradeify before. It'd be nice to have a quick look at they got their own journal, payouts, billing, Grand Cup, education. Let's have a quick look. Accounts, evaluation, funded, past. I've literally never traded with these guys. They're very good. Trust, bro. I trust you. I trust you. You do very well. So I trust that you're saying they're good. But where the hell do I go to get an actual account? Add account. Okay, so if we go to an account, I'm not going to buy one yet, but I'm just going to have a look at what they've got. So they have a select account, which is 25k. It's $65. Then they got 50k for $99. Profit target 3,000. End of day drawdown. Okay, this is fine. End of days with pretty much most. It's only the ones that are like Take Profit Trader. They're the ones that are trailing drawdown, and they're the ones that are intraday trailing drawdown. So this is actually okay. The select account is the daily payout or 5 winning day. You pick when you pass. Oh, wicked. Buy 5 accounts, save 42 extra. So is it just maximum 5 accounts you can have with these guys? Get 40% off with code May. $165. Oh, so they're saying with a code it can be $99. Otherwise it's $165. Okay. So Lightning funded. Why is Lightning funded more expensive? Max contracts 4 minis, 40 micros, daily loss 1250, trailing max drawdown 2000, drawdown mode end of day. Okay, they funded, not evils. Yeah. So what, these are just straight to funded, so you don't even have to do an evaluation with this. Ah, yeah. Okay, that's why that's 492. And then you got growth. Max contracts 4E, daily loss, trading drawdown 2000, end of day. Why? What the hell is this one then? Growth. This is... Oh yeah, so this has a profit target. Okay. I get it. They always do one. That there's the same thing what alpha futures do. They do like a zero account, they do a advanced account, and then they used to be a standard, but now it's a premium. Yeah, that's not bad. So the only next question is, if I got how much you have to pass on that? Profit target 1500. Well, you could do that in one day. There's got a consistency. It's got a consistency. Okay. So you can't make more than $750 a day, maybe, on the consistency, or 730 or whatever it is. Okay. This is quite cool. That's fine. I'm just trying to like figure out. A7 Medino, no, 3 days, 600. Yeah, 40%. Yeah, you're right, 40%. So let me see take profit trader. I'm just looking at take profit trader on this side. 1 second. So if I go over to take profit trader, your biggest day cannot be more than 50% of your total profit. Okay. So that's why take profit trader, if I do a 25k, then it's $750 I have to make, and this one is 600 because it's 40. Okay, makes sense. Okay, the next thing I wanted to find out, TPT, the bad thing is the trailing drawdown. Yeah, man, trailing drawdown's a killer, but if you can do it, which I have done it a few times and took payouts as well, then it's not too bad. And I think I have to trade for 5 days to pass in TPT, right? Yeah, you have to trade 5 days. But the thing is, this is how I do it. So just say one day I've made $750, second day I've made $750. Yeah, or you could make around about $700, and the third day make $100. All I do is for the rest of the days, if I've already passed my challenge, for the rest of the days I just put on a one contract trade, risking like $10 maximum, and I do that for 3 days. So I risk about $1 or $2 if that, and then just put a trade on, close a trade, so the system knows, okay, the guy's traded for the day, and that's it. Then I just leave the accounts until the 6th day, when you get a message saying, oh, you've passed your funded, and then you don't have to pay an activation fee if you use their codes. They got 50% discount as well at the moment, which is very good. But then again, it's the trailing drawdown. Yeah, it's consistency. So you can't make more than 50% of your total profits. So just say you're on a 25k account, you just do $750 for 2 days. The rest of the 3 days, you just put on a $1 trade and close it quickly, so it knows, the system knows you've traded. Port 250 still holding. Well done, Twizzy. What are you trading, Twizzy? What are you currently trading on? I'm not liking the way the market's actually started chopping around at the moment, so I'm gonna wait. I'm waiting for a clear setup, so I'm currently not trading right now. I need a nice clean setup for me to enter. NQ, nice one. Where did you take your entry, bro? $250. Tweezy, you took your entry down here somewhere. Because that's the 29,250 is down here somewhere. Yeah, 29,250 is right down the court. 250 still holding. So what, you've caught this whole move up to the top right now? Bro. Oh my god, Twizzy. Twizzy, what the hell are you doing? Bro, how did you catch that bottom? How the hell did you catch this bottom here for a reversal? Tell us that. TP at 600. Let me see your 600. Oh, okay, so your TP is down here, 29,600. Down here. Wow. That's a long way to go. But let's have a look. It's decent. It's decent on the higher time frame because you're targeting the fair value gap on the higher time frames, ain't you? Patience is key. Yes, yes. Zach, Danny, how you been? Zach, I'm great, brother. How are you? How you doing, Zach? XRP Crypto, thank you for following. Theodore, sup, Theodore? What you saying, brother? I'm currently in a chop at the moment, so I'm waiting patiently. But Twizzy saying patience is key because Twizzy saying that because he's caught the bloody bottom and he's aiming for the highs today. 600 at LH. What do you mean? Lower high as target. So you're saying roughly around, yeah, so roughly around, so let me just explain to the guys because they may not understand some of them if you just bear with me. So guys, if you look, Twizzy's caught this bottom down here, which I think is fucking badass. So you've actually went for this area here. He's caught it, and now he wants to ride it up till here, till this 29,600. So you're targeting this area here. Yeah, it's good. It's good. I was thinking that there might be a retracement from this area and keep pushing up, but I never took the trade myself as price is in a chop at the moment. It's not moving how I would literally like price to move every single day. So this is that fair value gap on the 1 minute time frame. I'm just waiting and looking around what price might be doing. Twizzy, 70 risk to reward ratio. Excellent. That is unheard of. I've never done a 70 risk to reward ratio ever. Are you a full-on day trader or are you usually a swing trader? Because if price doesn't reach that high today, it'll be tomorrow or whatever. Possibly can reach there today. Careful at true day open to don't bounce. Yeah. Might go shorts on S&P, not gonna lie, Zach. Yeah, man. Prices, we are bearish on the higher time frame. On the higher time frame, it's a retracement and then a push down. So yeah, you can probably find a short as well. Probably been a drop to 360. I'm taking partials. Good lad. At least you're taking partials on the way. You're not losing no money then you're protecting your capital at all times. I love that. I love that. I am Groot. NAS 100. Yes, that's right. I am Groot. We are NAS 100. We love a bit of NASDAQ. I usually trade New York, but since it's Friday, I changed my mind. Why not, Twizzy? Why not? Markets have been moving good on different sessions, so why not have a bit of a change? At least when you smash it, catch your trade, relax for a bit, go out, enjoy the rest of your day. You can have the day off. New York session. Twizzy, where are you from? I am Groot. Okay, yes. Sierra, what's up, bro? Sierra, how you doing? You in a trade? No, Sierra, I'm not in a trade at the moment. I'm looking for a trade. I can't actually find one at the moment. I love the volume at New York. Yes, yes. Everyone loves the volume at New York. Switzerland, so you're around. And I got another friend. She's from Switzerland as well. She's a trader as well. Yeah, you're 1 hour ahead of us, ain't you? So it's 9 a.m. here, so it should be roughly about 10 a.m. down there. Scordovi at Twizzy, crazy prediction. $360 incoming per chance. Yeah. I just can't see a trade. I can see a little bit of volume, just can't see a damn trade. What the hell is wrong? We're gonna keep an eye on this and see what's happening. Anyone else in a trade at the moment? London session. If I don't catch a trade by 10 o'clock, I'm going to come back. We always have a 2-hour break and then we come back on around about pre-New York session. So we do 12 p.m. till 2 p.m. or 12 p.m. till about 1:30, 2. It depends how many people we get on and how many people are watching us. And then we stay on for a couple of hours again at 12 p.m. So pre-New York session. And then before New York session, I'm out because then there tends to be a lot of volatility, so I don't bother jumping into the trades. But then once the volatility slows down a little bit, I can get into trades if I want. But I probably don't stay on the markets all that time. So I do like 1 to 2 hours in the morning of London session, have a 2-hour break, go gym or whatever I want to do, relax, eat food, chill, enjoy the weather, rainy weather in the UK, and then I come on about 12 o'clock for another hour and a half. Maybe 2 hours pushing it, but on live. Wow, Sierra, thank you for the 1,110 likes. Wow. So I'm thinking, would we have another retracement from this area here? But it's too much of a retracement. So the 30-minute how long have we got till the next 30-minute candle? Wow, so this 30-minute candle, oh damn, it can actually push up and then just end up respecting that fair value gap, because if I go into the 30-minute time frame, here you are, we're still within this fair value gap. So if price pushes up leaving a wick, that means that fair value gap still getting respected. So I'll leave this let me just make it tighter. I'll leave that fair value gap there for now. And let's see what price is doing in this area. Because we still keep breaking in and out of that area. So let's see what price is doing in this area on the 1 minute. Wow, Sierra, oh my god, you gave me like 50,000 likes the other day. That was damn crazy. Finger must have been hurting, bro. Oh, unless you got one of those things, then it'll automatically do it. 360 incoming per chance. Twizzy at Scordio, I appreciate it. Bro, sometimes you gotta have crazy predictions. Sometimes you gotta be a bit deluded. Not always, but sometimes it's okay. At the end of the day, Twizzy's taking partials on the way, so he's not losing money. He's protecting his capital. EA Goldman selling signals. You carry on selling signals, bro. I'm not gonna block you. You do what you're doing. Everyone's got to hustle. You can do it on my page if you want. DJ Walkie, 105 likes. Thank you very much, DJ Walkie. Right, we broke and closed outside that fair value gap, but on the 30-minute, Skodovi, thank you for following, Skodovi. Thank you. Wow, DJ Walkie, 210 likes. Thank you so much, my brother. DJ Walkie, thank you for following. Look, guys, I'm not quite sure what's going on the markets. We're getting a bit of volatility. Wow, Mazza, thank you very much. Thank you for following, Mazza. All right, so let's do this, guys. We've not had a look at the economic calendar right now, and we should never ever be on the charts without looking at the economic calendar. So let's go. Many of you do look at Forex Factory, but I look at fxstreet.com because it just looks a lot cleaner to me. Well, Forex Factory is very clean as well, but I just like the way you got your flags and everything here and all the rest of it. Let's compare it to Forex Factory for now. Right, forexfactory.com. So this is Forex Factory. It tells you got all yellow folders, no orange folder, no red folder. So there's no news today, guys. You're good to go. But that's not to say not to protect your capital. Make sure you're using stop losses. If you're on a personal account, protect your capital. Don't oversize, don't over leverage, don't create entries that are not already there. No fear of missing out, no revenge trading. Protect your capital at all times, guys. And then if you're on prop firms, just make sure, yeah, you're not trading red folder news events. But Friday, there's no red folder news event today. So markets should just be moving okay. You've got these orange folder news events that might push the markets a little bit here and there, bring a bit of volatility into the markets. Thank you very much, Sierra, killing it again. Yeah, so guys, you're good to go. You're good to trade today. There's no red folder news events, so there's nothing that should be like scaring you. So this is Tradeify. Masha, thank you very much for following, Masha. So this is Tradeify I was looking at, because I am going to be trying that prop firm. The only thing I don't like about this chat on the TikTok chat on OBS is that I can't scroll up. But let me have a look if I can scroll up on yeah. The good thing is I can scroll up on this. I can scroll up on the other chat on the studio, so that's fine. But guys, we still don't know what the market's doing right now. I don't trade when the market's chopping around like this. I do not take an entry for no reason. Possibly could have caught this area here, but it wasn't retracing into here. If it had retraced here, I would have taken the entry. Oh wow, 905 likes from DJ Walkie. DJ Walkie, man, smashing it with the likes. Sierra, 3,405, smashing it with the likes. Oh my god, what's going on? A7 Medino about to long this. What do you think? Ooh, you're about to long this right now. Be very careful, because this 30-minute fair value gap is almost like inversed. Well, has been inversed for now. 15-minute fair value gap is also inversed right now as well. So, and on the higher time frame, we are bearish, and I should have taken a sell. I'll tell you where I should have taken a sell. It pissed me off that I didn't bother. If I go into the 15-minute time frame just to show you, the price came in, retraced into this fair value gap here. As you can see, guys, we are pushing down. It's bearish. Price has retraced. Thank you very much for that. Look, my wife, she bought me lemon water, my detox water. Detox, brother, detox. You talk too much shit, so detox and go for a shit. Yeah, so guys, we are actually bearish, but saying that, A7 Medino, saying that if price is rejecting it and pushing up, it means it's coming back into this fair value gap. The price might balance out and push up because this did like kind of slightly change character. So we don't know. I don't know. That's why I'm not taking a trade. That's why I wouldn't advise you. It's entirely up to you if you want to take a trade. If I could clearly see it, I'd say, yeah, bro, looks good. How long you been trading? Bro, I've been trading for like 3 years now. 3 hard years, bro. Fucking the hardest years of my life. Bro, I don't even want to think about it. How long have you been trading, Twizzy? A7 Medidio for only 30 points though. What do you want to do? Go for some scalps or something? 30 points is still pretty big. Because of what price action is doing, we can't really tell. So, 1 second. Tap in 15-minute order block. 1 year. Sweezy, you've been trading 1 year. You're doing very well, brother. I traded for 3 years. I struggled for the first two and a half years. I struggled hard, bro. Hard. I lost so much money. I think I must have lost over I reckon over 100 grand in pounds easily, because I didn't know about prop firms. I wasn't doing research. I wasn't studying. I was just gambling. Oh my god, trading almost ruined me. But luckily I figured a way out. Do you know what? As soon as I started losing money, I was like, fuck this. I was like, now I need to get my money back from these markets, not from anywhere else, from these motherfucking markets, because this is where I lost the money. I don't want to lose the money here and then go somewhere else to make the money. I want to, if I'm losing my money, I want to get my money back from here as well. So yeah, that's what happened. So then the first 2.5 years were like that, and then the next 6 months are gonna, well, the next 6 months are like this, bro. Once you get it and the penny drops, it's faster to make your money back. 1 year, thanks. I feel you, Twizzy. Trust me, man. The struggle is real. The struggle is real when it comes to trading. So oh, what the fuck? Right. Okay, guys. If anyone uses this tool here, what I've got open here right now, yeah, this tool confuses me sometimes. So this tool is called the price range tool. Yeah. This number here, 216, is that the points, or is this number here 54 the points? Because this is what really confuses the shit out of me on this tool. It's like, mate. So this whole candle here, would that be 185 points? So let's have a look. If anyone can give me the answer here, would be great. Otherwise, we can just jump on Google and we'll just get the price range tool. What number those points? Okay, so the first number on the left, the absolute price difference, points, pips between the starting and end point. Second number in the middle, the percentage change. Okay. J Trades NQ. Thank you very much, brother. I literally just picked it up, and then I've never used that tool before. It's the first time I'm picking that tool up and using it, but now it makes complete sense. But J Trades, thank you so much. I appreciate that. And the third number on the right, the total number of bar and candles covered. Oh god damn. Brad Yadav, thank you very much. Thank you very much for following. But do you know what? That's why I say to everyone, when you're in trading, you don't always know everything. You're not an expert. It doesn't matter how good you are. There's always people out there that know better. And they always know something. So always be open to learning. Yes, JD Trades, NQ. That's right. You always learn something new. So if you're new and you're learning to trade, ask questions. If I don't know something, and I call myself a bit of an advanced trader now, yeah. But if I don't know something, I'm not going to be ashamed and lie to you guys and pretend that I know it. I'm just going to ask the question, and then someone like JD Trades just give me the answer. Even though I was Googling it and Google told me an excellent explanation, JD had already answered my question for me. So JD, thank you very much, JD Trades. So guys, this price range tool, this is the number of points and pips of this huge candle range. The middle is the percentage, and 185, the third number, is how many candles were covered in this range. So how much candles are covered by this one candle in this range, and it was 185 candles. Damn, that's crazy, bro. I love that shit. Now I'm happy. I learned something new. Just something little as that makes a big difference to your trading, I'm telling you. So this is what I was saying, A7 Medinho. Don't take the buy. If you took your buy here like you were saying and you wanted to catch your 30 points, you wanted to scalp, yeah, man, I don't know. You could drop down to the seconds and stuff and see what's happening, but I don't trade stuff like that. I just wait. That's where like price chops you up. I didn't trust it. Good lad. Good lad. Always have a game plan. A good game plan. Bro, do you reckon this area here is going to get tested, or is there going to be a breaker structure to the downside? Because I did tell you guys that price was bearish. I told you guys it was bearish at the beginning. I will upload that later on and put it on one of the videos. But yeah, it was bearish. But some the retail traders now will start trying to push it up from here, because then you get those support and resistance traders. 2 a.m. open retest. Yeah, so Pizzy says it could be 2 a.m. open retest. I can't believe I missed my fucking trade, bro. Look, this is what I was looking at. Let me show you guys. This is what I hate. I always like to make life difficult for myself. I shorted with 3 micros at 29368 and up 500. You shorted at 29368, 293. You shorted here, bro. There you go. You shorted just there. After you seen that big ass candle, you thought, yep, I'm gonna take my shot. Yeah, nice one. Nice one. So that's part of your game plan. Excellent. $500 up. Yeah, look, so I always make life difficult for myself, yeah. So if you look, just say, let me go take you onto the 30-minute time frame. I clearly looked at this just to see which way market was moving, yeah. Let's put that red because we're bearish. We're looking for a sell. Price retraced here. That was a good area for me. That was the perfect area for me. That is exactly where I usually do take my trades. But because I don't know if it's going to continue breaking structure to the downside, I probably would have come out by a trade by now. But I would have made some good money on my trade as well. So I wouldn't give a shit if I came out early or not. So yeah, sometimes, man, it's all about taking your shot as well. London Open retest. I told you all, London Open retest. Let's see if Twizzy is right, guys. Let's see if Twizzy is right. Yeah, let's try. Which way shall I go? Like, I'm not it's covering like. Right, move it that way a bit. Move it that way. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Otherwise, this logo kept almost blocking my big head. This goes lower, Twizzy. I'm thinking so. I'm thinking so. JD Trade says this one goes lower. No chance it recovers. We're down 1.3% today, bro. JD Trades, hit the follow, man. It'd be nice to catch up with you. It'd be nice to chat to you and just like get your insight on trading, man. I love the way you think. It's absolutely brilliant. Twizzy saying it might be. JD Trade saying I did. I've been for... Oh, sorry. Sorry, JD Trades. Thank you so much. Let's see the 310 reaction. Let's see JD Trades, man. This is like a battle. Battle between the two. Let's have a look. Price has started to chop around in this area. Maybe it's just going to be a retracement. And then, boom. We don't know. HT, don't know where to. TP. HT, do you know what? I'm thinking the same thing because I've already missed my trade earlier. And I'm pretty annoyed about that because I would have made some good money. So this is where I was looking, where this red area is here. It had been tested 3 times. Had I just had these opened up like that longer, I would have been able to take my entry here. Put my stop loss just above there. It would have been very tight, but it would have been very, very fucking good as well. Good morning, yo. Fetty GB, good morning. HT, I'm short since top, bro. Literal top, bro. You are smashing it. Are you like from... Because yesterday, there was this whole area. This whole area here. Price was just tapping there and just couldn't break past it. So are you there from Asia? Gadgets 990. Thank you very much for following, Gadgets. HT, have you been there since Asian session? Or have you been there since the day before New York session? Since yesterday, New York session, sorry. Since before Asian session. Oh, wow. So are you a swing trader? You'd call yourself a swing trader? Let's see what the music is saying. I had to switch it up a bit. Before I had some like Asian authentic Indian type music. It was really nice instrumental, but now I thought I'll put some house music on. But the thing is, I can't put commercial music on because then they just stop you and block you. So I've managed to find myself like this long instrumental house beats, so it's nice. HT, now I trade Forex, but I saw this and thought this shit is going to melt. You thought it was going to melt, but I would take a short here as well into that fair value gap of the last leg down. So you're looking at this fair value gap here. I wanted the price to show me like some bigger candles, and I would have liked a deeper retracement. Or if price comes back here again, then maybe. Oh, don't know. I don't know. But yeah, no higher. So into this fair value gap, you're saying. Yes, deeper retracement. So because this meltdown from here didn't retrace into the 50%. Yeah. This second leg didn't retrace above 50%, so it wasn't in a premium area. If price now went into this area here, there is a 90% chance. All right, let's not say 90, let's say 70% chance that it can come into this area here and melt down, because that is now an excellent premium area to sell. Go into M5. Let's have a look. There you go. Again, into M5. Is hitting in and above the 50%, so into a premium area. But the only problem is, I know when price usually is like this, it will come into this fucking 38% area and then just continue melting. But the best one would be for it to go into the above the 50, closer to the 61.8. That would be nice. But we just got to wait for that retracement. So if I did take a sell, this is what it would look like. If I felt like, okay, this is going to melt now, this is what it looked like. So where has it gone? Roughly around this area. Stop loss there and take profit below. But it has to retrace in it. Like price is just moving a bit weird right now. Oh. This is the third time. Yo, Twizzy, look at your screen, bro. A7 Medino, holy, I placed a short, but it didn't work. The fuck? Medino, that's the thing. You have to wait for the right retracement. It's all about patience. Like, you got to wait for price to go into the right area and then short. You can't short from the bottom because price will go up and tap you out. You have to be very careful, and you look like you're scalping because you're looking for these small points. So you look like you're scalping, but price can tap you out very, very quickly. Bro, 2 is 28740. TP is 28740. That low, we're taking it out. JD Trades NQ, price is ripping. I told you, Twizzy. JD, you're right. But let's have a look. You have broken past it. Easily broken structure to the downside on the 1 minute. You've broke past these candles. Not even been like, okay, yeah, we've had a crazy liquidity sweep or anything like that. There's nothing. Look, there you go. There you go. Fuck me, man. Had I entered my trade there where I was supposed to enter my trade, fuck. Let's have a look what it looked like. Let me have a look. But sometimes I'm gonna have to start taking these bigger entries as well, man, on the higher time frames, because then I can like cut out the whole noise. I just like to refine into the lower time frame when I think, yeah, man. But let me have a look. Let's have a look what price would have been saying for me. Obviously, I wouldn't be risking that much on that trade. Probably be about $300 I'd be risking. It'd be lower than that. Let's have a look. Yeah, so you could say about $330 I'd risk. But imagine price coming down there. For me, that would have been a nice $1,333. And as soon as it taps this orange bar, I'd probably be out. But knowing my luck, yeah, price always leaves 1 point and then reverses. But yeah, I would have definitely been out of this trade by now though. I would have closed it early maybe. Yeah, but that's, look, it's tapped it, and that would have been my trade on the higher time frame. That would have been on the 15-minute time frame, guys. And then if I zoom in on the 1 minute, it would have cut all the noise out from this area. and it would have been dumping. So I watched that whole Sierra killing it with all those likes, man. Oh my god. W took a dub still. I placed a trade, lagged, and I missed it. Damn. That's A7 Medina. Twizzy, W took a dub still. Twizzy by JD Trades. Check Golden Pocket. HT, see that whole trend line. HT on the higher time frame, 28740. I'm telling you, I'm in a sell. Made 500 today so far. My last trade of the day is now. That's from SK, guys. AOTP, are you in Quantum Cyber? AOTP, I don't know what Quantum Cyber is. Would you like to explain? Because I'm sure there's quite a few people here that don't know what it is as well, so. Bro, what the fuck? I missed that whole trade, that whole leg down. 28740. HT 28740. What are you? Oh, you're saying price will go down to 28740. So you're saying it's dumping till here. I need a fucking retracement. Knowing my luck, my retracement's gonna fucking fail me, but I need a retracement now, man. This one retracement looks a little too far out for me now. We are looking for sells. Of course, man, I've been looking for sells all day. I told everyone since 8 a.m. this morning. As soon as I logged on at 8:30, I'd already told everyone this is bearish. This is bearish. This was supposed to be my entry here. I didn't get a high enough retracement to this area. Otherwise, that whole leg would have been my trade. I would have been in. But now possibly sell from here. But I don't know. I don't know if price is gonna continue dumping. But I need a good retracement. The only reason I've not entered into a trade, even though price is dumping, is that I can't catch a good retracement. Are you in Quantum Cyber? A stock? No, I'm in NQ, Nasdaq, Betty GB. We are looking for sells. Yes, we are. AOTP, what do you trade on? Brother, I'm trading on Tradeovate, but I'm logged into TradingView via Tradeovate. Harmohit Singh, yo Crudy, Cruddy. Harmohit Singh, what are you doing? Why don't you hit the follow button? Nice to see a Punjabi in here. Harmohit Singh, nice to see a Punjabi in here. There we go, lol. Thank you very much. Thank you so much, brother. Alela. Guys, in Punjabi, alela means have this. Oh, laugh my ass off. You know I am Punjabi. Harmohit. My first name is Devinder. My middle name is Danny. Punjabi fella. Yes, that's right. That's right. Guys, let's go. Man, we've had some excellent conversation type shit, bro. Bro, we've had some excellent conversation today. JD Trades NQ smashed it. HT smashed it. Twizzy, you smashed it. Twizzy, are you in drawdown right now, or are you holding your trade and waiting for some sort of push back to the upside, or are you stopped out? Where are you with us at the moment? Assuming you profitable as well. Fucking now I am. Banjo, I was 2.5 years of trading. I was telling Twizzy and and JD Trades and all those guys, I was telling them, bro, I went £100,000 down, not even dollars, over £100,000 down in the first, well, I'd say in the first 2 years, but in the first 6 months, I was 80,000 down straight. All right, guys, it's coming into a retracement area now. Hopefully, we could get a deeper retracement. That's when I look for a sell. But, fuck, have we pushed too far down to even start selling right now? Or do you reckon we're going to continue dumping, guys? Harmit Singh, how long have you been trading for, bro? Look, that's what would have been nice. This area here. I would have said, okay, risk 270. 2 year Brody. Got over 6 figures in payout as well. Oh my God, Harmit Singh, well done. Well done, brother. Well done. It's nice to see some Punjabis doing well as well. Do you know, I've not seen many Punjabis in this space. Like, not seen many trading. And it's hard to make friends in this space as well. And look, Twizzy saying Harmit Singh, W, man. Yeah, it's hard to make friends in trading. It's very lonely space. Guys, I don't know. I don't know. Should I sell? Should I sell? Yeah, I've been dumping. Twizzy, thanks. Lol, now targeting 7 figs. Oh my God. Is that prop firm? Are you still targeting 7 figs in prop firms? A7 Medino, I know a lot of them. They sell mentorship on Facebook and Marketplace. Bro, I hate that. I hate that. Do you know how many times I got scammed? I got scammed like fucking... I swear in 2024, I must have bought like 4 courses from 4 different people. Don't get me wrong, I learned literally little bit from each one, and some of that education I'll take away with me even now. But I could have got that information for free on YouTube had I had gone out and took my time to go out and learn. I don't know, I might just see what's happening in this area here. Let's see, guys. Let's see what's happening in this area down here. It wasn't a deep enough retracement, to be honest. I think I shouldn't take it, maybe. Because that wasn't 50%. That wasn't a 50%. All right, let me just close this because I think... Oh, shit. Harmit Singh, no dollar in payouts. Harmit Singh, Paji, I do some marketing in it. You mind if I DM you about more? Harmit, DM me. We'll chat. I'll talk to you, brother. It'll be nice to know what you're doing marketing in as well. Harmit, where are you from? You from UK? You from Canada? You from America? From New Zealand, Australia? I got people all over the world joining us every single day. Look, we got 30, 32, 33 guys with us right now. We've had 500, only 500 eyes on us. We normally have about 1,500 eyes on us in the daytime. We come back on again at 12 o'clock. So I'm probably going to stay on for another 20 minutes and then see what price is doing. Should I not? I'm not quite sure if this is a clean enough entry for me right now. Yeah. Always cancel the order and then price ends up going my way. Prominence. 50 points drop. Ah ha 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 ha. Am I saying most people think I'm from the UK, but I'm from Belgium. Oh, nice one, brother. Nice one. Guys, I've not had retracement that I like. Rick Royale, I'm in longs from 2:30, but it's London, so we will see. Yeah, that's right, it is London. Prominence, red days off here finally. Red days, or red days winner days for you? Or are you saying red days as in the price is bearish and dumping? Harmite saying we should meet up if I come to the UK soon. Yeah, but if we chat, get to know each other, if we like each other's attitude and stuff, yeah, if you ever came to the UK, I'm open to getting to know people. I'm happy with that. Lewis, sell. Think it's going lower. Yeah, I do too. But the thing is, it didn't tap my entry where I wanted. It probably would have tapped me in. I took my sell out, you know. I was looking at this. Like, oh my god, what's happened there? I was looking at stop loss above these highs and take profit round about here. But I'm not sure, should I be tapping in here, because none of the price in this whole leg has gone into a premium, premium area. Set message, no problem, brother. I will drop you a message back. Anyway, brother, I gotta go gym, lol. Yeah, man, go get some gains, brother. Take care, have a good one. Have a great weekend. We are still in discount a bit. Yeah, but I'm looking for premium to sell. I'm waiting for price to go into a premium of this leg. And that leg was... So that didn't go into 50. That didn't go into 50. That didn't go into 50. That didn't go. So I need price to come at least above here, and then I can see what price is doing. So yeah, I have to follow my game plan, guys. If I'm not following my game plan, then I'm just entering a trade where I shouldn't be. But this is one area where I did think, okay, price can react. In sell, where should I put stop loss? Brother, I can't tell you where to put a stop loss. It all depends on risk management. How much are you risking? Where are you putting a sell? How much are you targeting? Where's your profit target? You got to have all them. So I don't sell signals. I just trade live. But where are you selling from right now, and how much are you risking? Rick Royale, we are still in the discount a bit. Very bearish today, Twizzy. Yes, that's right, Twizzy. JD Trades was bang on the money. Rick Royale valid. Prominence 340. VWAP. Play easy. TP 200. Rick Royale. See, look, this is what I was saying about this area here. Price can react probably from this area here, possibly bringing it back into this fair value gap, because it's not totally been mitigated at the moment. So it can get respected because price has started to push down there slightly. But is it going to continue down? That's what we're looking at. How many accounts you copy traded? 3. Rick Royale, 3 accounts at the moment. If I do 3 to 5 accounts, I'm kind of okay. If I start doing fucking 10, 15 accounts, it messes my psychology up. So even if I lose money on one account, a small amount of money on one account, when you look at it on fucking 10, 15 accounts, you've lost thousands, and it fucks with my psychology. And then I start over trading, force trading, revenge trading, and then you know what happens after that. Rick Royale, yeah, I'm break even now, so risk free, whatever happens. Yeah, that's good. Nice. 3 is a solid, bro. So imagine if price respected this area here, which it doesn't look like it is gonna. We don't know actually. Stop loss there. Take profit there. No, it's not respected that area. This retracement
might be a deeper retrace, unless it retraces just around to here, which I wouldn't like anyway. I would want it above here. So maybe, I don't know who it was earlier. I think it was JD Trades. He was saying this huge fair value gap here. So that is going into the 61.8 into the 78.6 area. And then possibly selling off. That looks cleaner on the... That looks way cleaner on the 15-minute time frame to sell off from above 61.8% on the Fibonacci retracement tool. In price, you're looking at anything above 29,360 for a sell-off. That's the area that invest. So yeah, because price is not moving how I like, I'm not entering any trades at the moment. And yeah, music's gone off. See? Oh no, music is still on at the moment. That's good. That's good. These beats are alright, ain't they? Non-commercial tunes. Millionaire in the making. Whoop whoop. Let's go. Let's have it. Lewis is selling now. Rick Royal said, I find it easier to copy trade 10 plus and just risk light. Yes, brother. I have someone who comes on normally daily. His name's Lol Cakes. He's following me. He's trading 20 Apex accounts, and I was talking about this yesterday as well. He makes about $250 on one account and calls it a day for the whole day. Bro, 250. Let's get the calculator out. We were calculating this yesterday. Let's do it again. Look that, guys. He makes $250, roughly around that much. Times that by 20 accounts, $5,000 in a day. Obviously, then you take your profit splits and all that. And then, so some days he says to me he has losing days, some days he has good days. But he says in a week he can take out up to $4,000 to $5,000, which, whoa, a week, that's amazing, brother. But imagine if you could just do it every single day and just take 20 to 30 grand out a week. That would be even better. Yeah, don't need to risk a lot with all those accounts. I have 14 and risk 150 to make 300. That's it. That's it, bro. That's what I tell everyone. That's all you need to do. So what I do, because I'm only trading 1 to 3 accounts, or between 1 and 5 accounts, I like to risk a little bit more, maybe about $200 to $300, and then try to double that, like between $600 and $700. But the more accounts you have, the less money you need to make. What you waiting for? Lewis, I was waiting in this area. I would have actually had a trade on in this area, but I don't know if I'm selling, if it's going to sell off and it's a deep enough retracement for me. I was looking for a deeper retracement, something closer to this 61.8 area here. We've not had a deeper retracement, a big retracement for a while. So that's what I was waiting for. So look, if you go on to the 15-minute time frame, I'll just explain what I'm trying to say. So this is where I was saying sell off this morning. That was pre-London session. Price came into that area and sold off. But it sold off. I didn't get a deep enough retracement. So like if you look at this area here, this leg here, from here, swing high to the swing low, we've had a retracement into this area here. That was a deep retracement. It was a good place to sell. I loved that. But the thing is, I'm not getting that again. So I need something deeper for me to look for another sell now. But if I don't get it, then I've missed a trade. I'm going to come back later on anyway about pre-New York session. I'll be on live again. Oil is high profit is good. Jay is saying oil is high profit is good. Rick Royal, do you mark wick to body or wick to wick? Bro, I do. So like just say I'll do wick to wick. That's what I look at, usually wick to wick. But in between there, it's for your eyes and your experience to mark out areas like where you've got the imbalances and order blocks of fair value gaps and all the rest of it. What price is around that retracement? So around this retracement here, price was roughly around 29,295. Around this 61.8 area, there is prices around 293, well, it's between 29400 and 29360. Probably sell at 29359. Let's have a look. 29335. Yeah. That's a deep enough retracement. That somewhere, is it Micah or Mitchell or Micah? Yeah, I'm looking somewhere around that area as well. Hopefully price can go into that area, but I was saying there's a very good chance of price reacting this area here as well. But I think if we don't get a massive push down now, we are going to get some choppy shitty price action. Rick Ryle, okay, for OTE I mark wick to body of the manipulation leg. Okay, makes sense. Tux, thank you for following. Nice one, guys. Yusuf, thank you for following, my brother. Let's go. Based on the Fibo and the order block, it's quite possible for the short. You're talking about the 359 area. That's what I'm thinking. I just wanted a deeper, nice, deeper retracement. Fucking missed that trade there. That pissed me off. If price had retraced deeper on the first leg, that trade was mine all day long. All day long I would have took that trade. Now it's like, oh, don't know. And I did have a sell on in this area as well, but I took it out because I just didn't like the way price was moving. Yeah, Yusuf, a lot of people are thinking it's going to push down. Lewis, could you buy up to that retracement? Possibly, if you get some good price action from here. But the thing is, this area here can retrace down. So even if you took a buy here and price pushed lower, you'd go in drawdown or get stopped out. So it's always best to have a nice entry and good price action. Prominence 8185 sweep incoming. So you're saying this area will get swept and then price will push back up. Micah, too risky. Yeah, too risky, brother. Muad Tuzani, bro, my phone died mid-goon. What should I do? Muad, I don't sell signals, brother. All I do is trade live. And I trade with people online. So you've got experienced guys, you've got new guys, you've got beginner guys, you've got learners, you've got people who know what's going on in the markets that are not yet profitable. You've got very profitable people here. Everyone's trading together and everyone helps each other. So if you just drop your questions in, everyone helps each other. That's what I love about my community. My community is for everybody. So if you're experienced, let's trade together. If you're wall back, oh, thank you very much. Thank you for following. Yes, 41 people. Yeah, so I'm saying if you're experienced, let's trade together all day long. If you're, because I'm open to learning. D2 May, yes, thank you for following. I'm open to learning. I love learning new things. But if you're experienced, let's go. B2B effective. Man, I'm not letting me talk. All right, so yeah, if you're a beginner trader and you want to learn, put it in the comment section. Oh, and now that we've got about 45-50 people of you online right now, make sure you don't go. Thank you very much, Tux, for the heart. Don't go nowhere right now. I need to explain this. Make sure you stay here while I explain this. Price was going to move into my area. Anyway, guys, if you're new and you're looking to learn day trading and you're finding it very difficult to get the information online, because I know ICT, SMC, and people like explain market structure very difficult, order blocks, fair value gaps, and all that, and you're confused about learning to trade, I am going to have a free tutorial, free material and tutorials being uploaded on Monday, this Monday coming, for free on YouTube. Thank you very much, Pav012. So we got 52 people with us right now. Make sure, everybody, can you just share this live so it just goes out to everybody? And all the beginner traders, I want you to know that we will have free training material, free tutorials up from Monday. There will be one video every single day on my YouTube. So make sure you go over to my YouTube channel, FX Trader 2024, and just hit the subscribe button, because on Monday you're going to be getting free tutorials, free training material for trading. So if you want to learn how to trade, join my YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel, because you are going to be getting free YouTube free trading tutorials from Monday, from beginner to advanced. Betty, something you have to trust yourself. Yep. BTBFX24, I trade off the Hikanashi candles and use 100 EMA. I'm waiting for a tap of 100 EMA at the 29330. 29330. So you're looking for a tap here. Okay, that's deep. That's a deep enough retracement. Coin Fadol, we launch soon. Yeah. I'm gonna come off in the next couple of minutes, and then I'm going to be back on New York session. When should we consider a buy? Bro, when you get a deep enough retracement, when you're in the, when price starts coming into around the 29 to around the 29350 area, between the 29400, and between that area, you possibly can start looking for sell-off. But we don't know what price is doing right now. We've pushed down a lot. Tux, brother, I need a pump. We dump. We don't buy today. Yeah, everyone's looking for sells today. What exactly what will happen at the 29200 level in the last days? This was very, very important. Yes, Micah, that's right. Yusuf, when should we consider buy? I've explained that. Hush babe, Hushy babe, what pair is this place? Please, Hushy babe, this is the Nasdaq, the NQ. We are trading the MNQ, so the micro Nasdaqs. Pro pair tech, you want to sell, right? My target is 150. Okay, so you're targeting just below there. I wanted to sell here, and I was thinking, is price going to continue? It is doing something, but yeah, you're right, it can. You can target this area here. You can, if this one plays out. Hushy babe, or are you just ignoring me? Hushy babe, I'm not ignoring you. I have mentioned that we are trading the NQ. I don't ignore people commenting here, who chatting to us. Everything is aligned the same way when you think of it, EMA, FIB, RSI, or in reality. Yeah, I've not really had a chance to look at all the EMAs and the RSIs and all that. I just go from market structure. My Zoom, my world. Yes, thank you for following. Hushy babe, thanks. B2B FX24, same as FVG, just acts as support or resistance. Excellent, thank you for telling us. A7 Medina, I'm in a short. Am I cooked? No, you're not cooked right now. It just depends. Hushy babe, thank you so much for following. Thank you so much. Guys, right now we do have 50 of you online with us, and it is pretty much time for me to go very soon. So I just want you to know, head over to FX Trader 2024 on YouTube. From Monday, I'm going to be uploading free trading material. So beginner to advanced course will be uploaded. Thank you very much on Monday on my YouTube channel. So make sure you guys all go over to my YouTube channel and subscribe. It's the new hour. Yeah, I just got stopped break even. I still like longs though. Yeah, could be. Thank you very much, Jay. Thank you very much for following. And make sure you guys go over to my YouTube channel to subscribe, because on Monday we are going to have free trading tutorials, beginner to advanced courses, one video every single day. So in 30 days, you'll have a good idea of what's going on in the market and how to read market structure. So guys, head over to YouTube and subscribe. Betty GB, are you in? No, I'm not in. I would have been in here. I would have been in slight profits, but price is just fucking choppy, isn't it? Shit. Ashraf, look, he wants to sell in gold. He's selling signals, but don't worry, brother. You can sell signals. Do what you want on my page. I don't give a shit. I'm not going to block people for no reason. Everyone's got to hustle and grind. You carry on. Jose the Paradise. Thank you, Joe. Jose, is it Jose? Thank you very much. Thank you very much for following. BTBFX24 laughing his head off. Yes, my brother. Waiting for entry short, bro. That's what I was doing. I was waiting. But yeah, guys, thank you very much. You have showed me a lot of support today. Enough love. I'm going to shoot off now. I didn't catch the entry I wanted. Rick Royal, you're a chill guy, Danny. That goes far in trading. Bro, I never used to be. I had to build myself into this chill person. I used to revenge trade, force trade, create entries that are not even there, fear of missing out, yeah, forcing entries for no reason and just blowing accounts. I'm lucky my wife never left me. I'm lucky my mother never kicked me out the house as well. But yeah, yeah, I'm lucky my son never kicked me out the house as well. I'm lucky all three of them never kicked me out the house. But yeah, I am a chill guy now, but I had to build this version of myself in trading, because the first 2 years were a killer. But because my family supported me, my wife, my mother, and my son's only 5, but he says, Daddy, come on, let's go. So that's enough. But because my family supported me, and every time I lost, they never said, oh, you're a loser, you keep losing money, you've lost so much. And there was never negative. They said to me, don't worry, because I'm the main breadwinner of the house. They were like, don't worry, you keep losing, it's your money, whatever. But yeah, as long as I'm looking after the family and doing everything right, they were like, just stay positive and keep going and you're gonna make it. And slowly that decline, it started going up like that. So yeah, guys, I said trading is for everyone, but the truth is trading is not for everybody, and not everybody will be successful in trading. But you can give it a good shot if you're gonna go and educate yourselves properly before you lose money, and that's when you lose hope and then you start shitting yourself. So guys, sorry, I guess you can short until 29200, possibly. BTBFX24, where you from, brother? In the UK too, brother. I'm from Leicester. Where are you from, brother? It's necessary situation for anyone who wants to make it. Yes, that's right, you have to be chilled, guys. Bro, facts. Trading can wreck relationships fast. Yeah, trading can ruin everything, bro. Imagine that you tell your wife you're gonna take her out on a date on Friday, she gets dressed up and you've blown your accounts. No payout, and you, with that money you're supposed to take her out with, you put it into prop firms to get your next challenge. Bro, you getting left behind, mate. And that's when people start giving up on trading. Respect that, bro. The trading will continue to improve. Just takes endless screen time. 100%. It takes endless screen time, and then it comes to a point where you just stop. You kind of get bored of trading and you start doing everything right. And that's Hair, thank you very much for following. And that's when you've actually, you've done it. And then before the money's gonna start coming, you say, you know what, I know what I'm doing and I've fucking done it. That money's coming. It's coming. Depends on the person's mindset. Thank you very much, Rick Royal. Thank you very much for following. Everything depends on a person's mindset. you're a pussy hole and you're just gonna gamble your money, then then that's it, innit? Then it's only if you can come out of that gambling stage, then you've done it. Suffolk, my brother. Okay. Everyone can trade, not everyone can win. That's what I say, D2 May. Everyone can trade, not everyone can win. It's just like traders. Not every trader is a good teacher, and not every teacher is a good trader. That's another saying, but that's the absolute truth. Just because you're the best trader out there doesn't mean you can teach someone else how to trade. Just because you're the best teacher out there doesn't mean you can teach someone how to trade. You might be the best teacher, but you might be unprofitable. B2BFX24 laughing. Rick Royal, I've been there with my ex-girlfriend. No bullshit. Yeah, that's why you hit the follow button, didn't you? You were like, this guy's fucking talking some real shit. I went through this myself. Doo-doo, let's follow him. All right, guys, that's it. That's enough for me. My trade right now would have broke me even, so luckily I didn't go into it anyway. But maybe it's testing that area a couple of times before price is going to dump. Look, doing something. Hershey babe, same here too, bro. B2BFX, take it easy, brother. Cool, guys. I come on about 12 o'clock again, pre-New York session, just to see what's going on. Jump on for about an hour. 7 Medina, bro, is getting famous. Don't forget about us. Yo, brother, I don't forget about no one. I never forget you. Medina, we're gonna be trading Tradify together. Don't you worry that. Rick Royale, see ya, bro. In the States, so it's late for me. I'll be around. Yeah. Cool, man. Have some rest and then chill. And if you've already made your profits, chill for the rest of the day. Guys, if you're gonna... Thank you very much, Smitty Glock. Killing it. Guys, remember, Wayne, thank you very much. Killing it again. Guys, just remember, there's 43 of you here right now. Go over to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You're going to get free trading material from Monday. You're going to get trading tutorials, beginner to advanced. So you're going to get leveled up. No matter where you are in your trading journey, you're going to get leveled up in 1 month. Mary, thank you very much. Thank you very much for joining. Guys, I really need to shoot, so make sure you're on YouTube. I'm going to come back on about 12 o'clock again. So I'll catch you guys later. Almost got my payout and reverse to my break even. Holy shit. Bro, look, it went to your break even. Now price is coming back down again. Yes, family, I need to shoot. I'll see you guys later. Take care. I'm coming on at 12 o'clock again. So I'll see you guys soon, yeah? Bye.